Vico Soto yesterday, 5:54 p.m. Siguro parang he suddenly woke up from his nap and chose violence.
I say we take off and nuke the entire site from orbit. It's the only way to be sure.
Dito, sa isang post na ito na umatikabo, di ba? Ito shinare ko nga ito kanina eh. Sabi ko, I will rally for this dude when the time comes. Kasi hindi pa pwedeng tumakbo ng presidente itong si Vico Soto sa ngayon eh. Bitin pa yung age niya eh. So, it's one thing for bombs to sell their souls for content and social media clout. 'Di ba? Yung mga katulad ko. O kaya yung mga talagang gusto lang talagang sumikat, 'di ba? Magpapabayad kung kani-kanino para sumikat, para magkaroon ng content, 'di ba? Kasi wala silang pera eh. Kumbaga, wala silang pangalan. They're nobodies in society. But it's a different evil to do it while extremely being rich already. So, sobrang yaman mo na pero you still resolve to it. Hindi naman confirmed report ito. Pero let's not kid ourselves.